Hey guys, it's Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I can't wait to share what's cooking at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for March. We've had a little bit of excitement. I've had to adjust my plans a little due to some supply issues with Stampin' Up. So I have a brand new, really exciting class for you. I know some of you are expecting bees. Hopefully we can bring them back in May, but instead, we're going to welcome spring with this Under My Umbrella Treats class. Now, the Under My Umbrella Treats class will be at my Rolling Meadows home studio on March 30th. We've bumped it back a week, and so that is a Monday night at 6:30 p.m. If you'd like to take the class, you need to reach out to Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com and request a link to pay for the class. Now, besides in person in the Chicago area, where you'll make 5 treats with me, you can also take this class to go. The class is $45, includes a full pack of mini library clips. You'll see that we've used them on the little treats here. So you'll get an entire package of library clips. You'll get an entire roll of polka dot tulle ribbon, and you'll get an entire package of 6x6 designer series paper. So you get your own 6x6 designer series paper, leaving these projects customizable and easy to make more of these treats with your ribbon, embellishment, and designer series paper. So class is 5 kits, 5 projects. All your cardstock is cut for you, all your die cutting is done, your embellishments and designer series papers are included. You will also get access to the online classroom, whether you take the class here to go or online only. $45 plus $8 priority shipping if you require it. Now the other option, so if you don't need the products, you can cut your own kits. The class is also available in the online classroom. Online classroom is a series of video tutorials, one for each project that you see here, along with a printable PDF project sheet that includes measurements, step-by-step instructions, Stampin' Up shopping list, and full color photos for each project. The online classroom is $20 and does not include any physical materials. You get access to the classroom by email. I have one last option for the class. During celebration, if you place an order of $50 or more at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net, that online classroom, you can receive that absolutely free. Just place an order at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net and use the host code you see on your screen. All right, guys, if you've got questions about the online classroom, you can visit the online classroom page, kitchentablestamper.com/online classroom, or you can email Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for watching.